Namaskar friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. So guys, in this video we will have our discussion on this news which came yesterday that TikTok operations are now banned in US. It is the same news which flashed 5 years back in India, and lot many creators like in India who got the fame because of the TikTok, they were also very disappointed. A lot of my friends who were working in the Chinese companies in India, they also were not very happy. But the kind of disappointment which creators in US are facing, and the backlash which is coming in, all the disappointment which is being reflected in their social media handles is all over there. So I just thought we can have our discussion and we can try to connect it with the planets as well, because guys, whatsoever is going to have a say on collective, and we cannot overlook the user base of the TikTok. I guess after the after Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok also is there in the top 5 only when it comes down to the user base. So it has actually come as a surprise and shock to many. So we will try to look at that, how it is going to be influencing, because now after that the names which are being out there in the grapevine, in the social media circles, because US has given this ultimatum to China. I guess the ByteDance is the parent company of the TikTok, and US is a kind of a very business savvy mindset. So they are saying that we are not gonna restrict the operations, but we can buy the TikTok US operations. And surprisingly, Mr. Beast, his name is also being speculated. Elon Musk, he already bought X, Twitter, on 44 billion. It came as a surprise. Initially when he was saying that in the media and the news that I just want the free media and expression of the speech. But later on now, a lot many experts are claiming that the whole move of Elon Musk to buy Twitter was just to support Donald Trump or put him back in the presidential race, which actually proved out to be true. So now comes the question. And one more thing which I want to add over here, because yesterday was very interesting, very funny, the way the whole social media and creators were giving their disappointment. Because what happened after the ban on the TikTok, lot many US people who are addicted to the interface of the TikTok, they now started, the whole traffic started going to Red Note, and a lot of the people were already surprised seeing a lot of the Chinese creators over there and looking at their lifestyle. Some of them also started complaining that US is now becoming a third world country with Gucci belt. So okay, now after knowing all of that gossip and grapevine, whatever has been happening, now comes the question, why now? So and that too just a day before Donald Trump's inauguration ceremony as well. And it was also in the news that Donald Trump also called Xi Jinping regarding, because he denied to come to the inauguration ceremony, and there have been talks on the TikTok, and there is a drug felon, I forgot the name, I'll just put it on the screen. So guys, now comes the question for which I'm talking, that why now? Because everyone was speculating that, and some of the people commented on my videos that Nipun, we were expecting that because you have been saying that the air signs are going to be very potent, because Rahu is going to be entering in the Aquarius sign, and Jupiter is going to be entering in the Gemini sign. They all are going to be forming a axis. So that simply means that the social media and the communication aspect is going to be more potent. And just because based on the friendliness and preferences of the users which prefer TikTok, I guess because the highest user base of TikTok after Indonesia, I guess it's in US only. Okay, don't quote me on that. So people have been commenting and asking me that, okay Nipun, how can this be the case? Because a lot of many people who have been full-time creators on TikTok, they have also taken consultation from me. So these are the guys who actually emailed me, who wrote a lot of the comments and all. So guys, look at it in this way. Beyond any doubt, I'm not denying that thing, that with this entry of in the month of May, Jupiter entering in the Gemini and Rahu entering in the Aquarius, it is going to be a blessing for all the creators. If you are selling any courses, you are a creator, you are an influencer on any platform, this could be Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Red Note, I just heard about it first time. So if you are in any capacity working as a creator in 2025, it is going to be blessing for you. But why this TikTok thing happened? So guys, when I try to connect planets with it, look at it in this way, that for any world order and something, we have to give attention to the planet Saturn, because in mid-severe capacity Saturn is going to be transiting. Saturn is going to be laying foundation. It actually has the capacity to reshape the world order now. And over there Jupiter also plays a very significant role. So now what is happening is that Jupiter is going to be transiting in the Atichari motion. It is actually in a very unusually fast motion. That is the first thing. We know this thing, that in the month of March, on March 29th, Saturn is going to be entering in the on March 29th, it will enter into the Pisces sign. Now Pisces is considered as a sign which is very neutral. This is a sign over where this has been speculated, like people who have been indulged in any sort of corruption, anything to do with the lobbying of something, so those people get exposed. And immediate after that, we cannot even overlook this fact that immediate after this, Saturn is going to enter in a sign of debilitation when it will enter into the Aries sign. So guys, all what I can say is that this is going to be a way when the world will come to this terms, that whatever is happening in the social media and the way we come across propagandas and something, they are very, very strongly controlled and maneuvered and planted. It has been a brainchild of people who are doing it just to support the and favor the specific governments or specific agendas. Because guys, like the way I've been saying this thing, the time when Elon Musk bought Twitter, he had this thing that okay, I just want the social media to be without any filter and there has to be freedom of speech. But what exactly he did completely in contradiction to that. He actually supported a politician, and like the way a lot many political experts are also saying this thing, that in a way Elon Musk, via handling and controlling over all the social media handles with major user base, he is also assuring him his chance for the presidential race. But guys, you have to understand this thing, this entry of Saturn in the Pisces and immediate after that in the Aries is going to be not that happy or good news. So the way all these big mandates, they try to masquerade and they try to run those propagandas in order to push specific motives and specific narrative that is going to be breaking because of this. So if I were to say guys, based on my observation, because even I was not expecting it, because relying on the popularity of TikTok, and especially when the air signs are going to be very potent, like Jupiter in the Gemini, Rahu in the Aquarius, I was like surprised, how can this be the case? But when I gave attention, I moved my attention from Jupiter Rahu and I took it to what Saturn is going to be doing, where Saturn is going to be transitioning, and the next 5 years of the planet Saturn. So I would say that big business people like Elon Musk and all, they feel that they can control and they can masquerade things, but there's a high possibility that this move of theirs is gonna get backfired. And yes, based on the chart of the China and the way, because Donald Trump, his whole campaigning was against, his whole rhetoric always have been against China. But it came as a shock to lot many people from India. He used to flaunt his good friendship with Narendra Modi, but he did not get an invitation, and rather one of the representative from the Indian government, he is being invited for the inauguration ceremony. So all what I can say is that whatever this move is happening, it's only gonna put them on the spot, and the country which is gonna be gaining the brownie points is again going to be the China. So if US has this notion that in this trade war, this move of theirs is gonna give them some sort of leverage and something, and it was a news yesterday only, immediate after the TikTok, people again, even in US, people started searching for another Chinese app which was Red Note. So all what I'm trying to say that this move is gonna get backfired, and again is the Chinese only which is gonna get benefited. That's all what I can say. So yes guys, it was just a small video. I initially wanted to make a short on that, but then I thought I will not be able to tell the whole, I will not be able to outpour the whole emotions. So let me make a proper a short under 10 minutes kind of video for this. And yes, my sincere apologies and my empathy for all the TikTok creators who have been doing it full time and have a good community. They have built community and all, and now they must be in shock and all. So all what I can say is that there's a better days coming for you and better platform which is going to be in the pipeline soon for you, because yes, air signs are very potent in 2025. This couldn't be a case that this is going to be the death of TikTok, and there's not going to be any other better alternative than that. It is going to be there in the pipeline. So yes guys, this is something which I wanted to say as a part of my inputs. For further more updates and notification on the divine science of Vedic astrology, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram account. Dhanyavad.